Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to see all of your Instagram comments. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Firstly, go to your Instagram. Now go to your profile. There's a three-dot option in the corner. Just simply click into it and select your activity. Go to interactions. Now you can see all of your likes and comments. Select the comment option to see all of your comments. By following these simple steps, you can also see all of your likes you have given. That's it guys, thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.